Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to explain about the cat command. The cat command is one of the mostly commonly used command in Linux. With the help of cat command we can create a single file, we can also create a multiple files, we can view the contents of the file and also redirect output of the file to terminal or on some other file. So in this video I'm going to show you the use of cat command with their examples in Linux. Here the operating system which I'm going to use here is CentOS. So here I'm using the CentOS 6.5. Okay, so let's start with this cat command. The first example here I'm using is how you can show the contents of a file. So here I'm using a file name password which is located in etc directory. So I'm using cat etc and the file name password. So I'm displaying the contents of etc password file. So here show me the contents of the file. Next example, suppose I want to display the contents of two files on the terminal. So I'm using the command cat file1 and file2. So here show me the contents of both the file. This is the content for file1 and this one is the content for file2. And now I'm going to create a new file with the help of cat command. So how it's possible? So let's see. Cat and the greater than symbol, use this greater than symbol and put the new file name. Suppose I'm giving file name file5, then enter and then put the content which you want to put it on in the file. Suppose I'm putting the content, this is file5, and to save this use option control plus V. So the contents are saved in file. If you want to verify those contents, you can use cat and the file name. So here it show me the contents. This is file5. So in this way you can create a new file. Okay, so in the next example, suppose if you have a file having a large number of content that would not be fit in the output terminal and the screen scrolls very fast, right? Suppose I want to see the contents of a file. This is a configuration file for FTP server. So let's vsftpd.com. Suppose I want to see the contents of this file. Scroll very fast and I'm not able to see the whole content of this file. So to display this file page by page, we can use the more or the less option. For this we can use cat etc sftpd.conf and use the pipe symbol and option less. Enter. So now it will show you the configuration file page by page. Now you can scroll easily and read the file properly. Because this file is having a more than 100 lines which won't be fit on the screen, so you can use this option, or you can also use the more option as well, like this more. So in this way also you can see the contents of the file easily. Alright, so now in the next example, suppose you want to display the number of lines in a file, As I told you that in this particular configuration file which I've used, which I've shown you, the vsftpd.conf file, it's having more than 100 lines. If I want to see the lines in this file, we can use the option -n and the file name etc vsftpd.conf. So here it show me the total number of line in this file is 119. So in this way, I can see the line numbers in a file. Alright, on the next example, I'm going to display multiple files at once. Here I'm having the multiple files here, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. Suppose I want to see the output of file 1, 2 and 3. So how can I see this? So for this, use cat file 1, file 2, file 3 and enter it. Here it show me the contents of all three files here. This is for file 1, 2 and 3. So in this way, I'm able to see the contents of multiple files. Okay, the next example, I'm going to show you how you can redirect output, standard output. So we can redirect standard output of a file into a new file, or you can also redirect the output to the existing files with the greater than symbol. But be careful that the existing content of the existing file will be overwritten by the content of the file which will be used to redirect the output. Suppose cat, here I'm having two files, file 1 and file 2. So here I'm going to show you the redirect operator. Cat file 1, this is the content of file 1. Cat file 2, this is content of file 2. Suppose I'm redirecting the output of file 1 to file 1 to file 2. If I use this command, then the content of file 2 will be overwritten with the output of file 1. Cat file 2. So it will show me this is file 1. The file, this is file 2 is been overwritten. So be careful while using this command. We can append the standard output with the redirection operator. To overcome this issue, we can use the append option. Suppose here we have file 1 output here, and we have a file 3 output here. This is file 3 and this is file 1 output. Suppose I want to append the output of file 1 to 3. So how we can do this? Cat file 1 double greater than and then use file 3. So the output of file 1 will be append to file 3. If again I use this file 3, so you can see the content of or the output of file 1 is being append to file 3. So in this way we can redirect standard output. We can append standard output with this double greater than operator. Okay, the next example I am going to show you that redirecting standard input with the redirectional operator. When you use the redirect with standard output, that is less than symbol, it uses file. Suppose here I'm using file 4, so it will use file 4 as a input as an input for a command, and output will be shown in the terminal like this: cat less than symbol and the file name. So here it will show me the output on the terminal. So in this way we can do this. Alright. And how we can redirect multiple files contents in a single file. Suppose I am having here uh, this number of files, and I want to append, or we want to redirect all the contents of this file to a new file. So how we can do this? Cat file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5, and redirect it to new file, file 6. This file doesn't exist on our system. So what this command will do, it will redirect all the output of these files to file 6, cat file 6. So here it redirect all files output to the new file, file 6. So in this way we can use this cat command in our day-to-day activity. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos to come, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.